Hey all, welcome to Programming Knowledge. Hope you're all doing good. So we are back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we are going to take out the information of our mobile phone number, like its country and its service provider, the network operator of that particular mobile phone number. So there will be two sections. In the first section, we'll discuss about by using a particular phone number, how we are going to extract the information of its country of that mobile phone number. So let's go ahead and start writing the code. The first thing what we need to do in order to get the country's information is we need to import the phone numbers. By using the phone numbers, we are going to get the country's information. To do that, the first thing we need to do is we need to install a library called phone numbers, in which by using that we are going to get the country's information. So in order to install that library, the first step what we are going to do is we are going to use the pip command and use pip install phone numbers. Let's go ahead and click on Shift Enter. So as you can see, it's installed already, which is requirements is already satisfied. So I have already installed, and if you have not installed, you can use this code, which is pip install phone numbers. Once you have installed, you just need to restart the kernel in the Jupyter, as I'm using Jupyter. So I'm going to restart this Jupyter to make sure that the package is updated. So here we go, it has been restarted. So as we have installed the phone numbers, so we can use this library. The first thing after installing, what we are going to do is we are going to import the phone numbers. Okay, so let's import the phone numbers. Why we are going to use import the phone numbers? Because by using these phone numbers and passing our mobile phone number, we will be getting the country history, that is the country information. Let's go ahead and click on this. So I have imported phone numbers. The next step what we are going to do is we are going to import the geocoder, which will be used to get the latitude and longitude, that is basically the directions, or there's so many geocoders, which is either it could be direction, either it could be used for getting the exact location, let's say Asia or India, like the countries which in the basic form. You can go to the Python documentation if you want to view all the keywords that we are going to use in the geocoder and other informations as well. So I have also used this Python documentation, which is pip.org by project and phone numbers. Here if you can see, geocoder is available. So we use this command in the coming part of the program, which is geocoder dot area of description number. Okay, let's now go again back to the program and import the geocoder, which is available in the library of phone numbers. So I'm going to use the from, and we will be using phone numbers which we have imported. So inside the phone numbers, by using the from keyword, from phone numbers, I'll import geocoder. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on enter. We have successfully imported the geocoder, which we are going to use in the program. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use our phone number, which is, let's say, 9192450, or your phone number for checking. For that purpose, we need to first pass on our mobile number. In order to do that, first we'll create a variable in which we'll be passing on our number to make sure that the country information we will get it. I'm going to use let's a variable called ch underscore number. Either you can use your own variable. I've just used it for example purpose. So inside this, I'm going to use the phone numbers, which is the library which we have imported, phone numbers, and we are going to use the command dot, which is dot parse. Parse is used to pass on the number which we are going to import now. And inside this columns, I'm going to provide first thing our countries pin, which is I'm going to use it right now, the country code, which is +91, which is of which is the country of India, or similarly you can use any country code of yours. So let's provide I'm going to use a random number now. Let's say I'm going to provide 900300401. It's 2 4 6 8 10. It's 10 numbers. This is random number, so I have just provided it, and followed by what I am going to do in order to get the country information. I am going to use a keyword called ch, which is used to get the ch is basically country history, or the particular this particular number that belongs to that particular country. We are going to use that ch country history. So after doing this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the geocoder to get the country history. So let's use this geocoder. Okay, and followed by we need to pass a command which is description of number, as I have shown from the Python documentation. Where is it? Okay, right now, yeah. So we use this geocoder description for number to get some information about the location that corresponds to a phone number. Okay, so I'm going to use that command, which is geocoder.description, and followed by use the same description underscore for underscore number. This is a command to get the information by using geocoder. So geocoder dot description for underscore number, and inside this, as we have already passed this number and kept it inside the variable ch underscore number, I'm going to use this ch underscore number, followed by I'm going to use the language which I need. Let's say I'm going to use en, which is English. Similarly, we can use for French fn, and as you can see inside this documentation, we have different types. We have den French, and it that corresponds to different languages. F is for French, D is for Dutch. Similarly, we use en. No, the expected output, what I'm after running this program, I'm expected to get India, as I have used the +91, so it should be coming as India. If you're going to use some other country's code, it will show the corresponding country. Let's go ahead and run this. Here we go. We have successfully got the output of the program, which is India, as I have used the +9. Similarly, we can use other countries' code. You can try it on. So this is the first part of the program where we have successfully got the output as India due to the +91. Now, yeah, you can view this Python documentation of phone numbers, in which you have other fields as well. Yeah, you can use this. Right now, I'm going to discuss about the second part of program, which is we are going to view these particular phone numbers country service provider. Service provider can like the organization which you are using. We have so many different organizations. Let's say like in India, we have Airtel, we have Docomo, we have Docomo is not now. We have Vodafone, we have Jio, Reliance. Everything will be coming in. So let's go ahead and do that. In order to do that, the first thing what we require is first phone numbers, and then we need a carrier, which is used for to get the network service provider, and we'll use a RO, which is registers organization or radio operator. First we need a carrier, so carrier we need that, so we need to import that from phone numbers, just like we did it for geocoder. We'll use the same code, which is from phone numbers. We are going to import carrier. This note down, this is used to get the network service provider. We are going to import this carrier. Okay, then once after we have import this carrier, we'll use this inside this program. But before that, as we have passed the phone number, we'll again pass on the phone number just like we did. Let's say I'm going to first create a variable just like we did it for ch underscore number. I'm going to do it as ro underscore number. This is a sample variable, like example variable. You can create your own. Now I'm going to again pass on the phone number dot. I'm going to use the pass command just like we did it while in the first part of the program. We do it again, and inside the brackets we are going to provide first the country code, and let's say I'm going to use the same number again, 9003004001. And after this, just like we use the country history, that is like ch, that is a keyword to get the country information. We are going to use another keyword called ro, which can be called as registers organization or radio operator. I'm not sure about this, but as I have referred the documentation and other commands, so I got to know about this. RO is used to get the radio operator or registers organization, just like Airtel, Geo, Vodafone, that is a company provider. We use that, and after that, what we are going to do, we are going to use this carrier which we have imported, which is used to get the network provider. We use that just like we use the geocoder for to get the country information. We use the carrier. Let's go again and use this carrier and use the dot operator, and we need to get the like we need to pass on the command just like we did it for description for underscore number. We use here name underscore for underscore number. Okay, so we use this name underscore for underscore number to get the name of that particular service provider. Now inside this, I'm going to use ro underscore number, in which I have passed on my this particular mobile number, random number, which is ro underscore number, just like we did it for the country information. We use the ro underscore number. Okay, so comma inside the brackets. Last thing we require is we'll pass en, which is English. Here we go. So we have written down the code. After running this program, the expected output is, oops, I have missed the plus symbol over here, which corresponds 91 to India. So let's now go ahead and run and check for the organization's name. Here we go. It's showing Airtel. Airtel is one of the service providers which is used in India. So plus 91. Now let's play around with it. I'll just change number to 91. Let's see what the service provider comes. So it's showing Reliance Jio. This is another service provider. I'm going to pass on as 92 and run again. So here we can see Tata Docomo is another service provider, and yeah, 93 is Reliance Jio. So this is one more service provider, which is BSNL Mobile. 94. Then we provide 95. 95 is Airtel. 96 is Idea. Then we have 97 Vodafone. 98 Aircel. Okay. So 99 is Airtel. So this is a random number which I was playing around. Similarly, you can play around with the country codes. It will show up with the different country name, and as well as I did for after changing this particular one by one number, it was showing it with different organizations name. So that's it for today. Hope you like this session where we have discussed two things here. One is for the country and one is for the service provider. Hope you guys like the tutorial. So that's it for today. We'll be coming back with other tutorials in the next sessions with more exciting stuff. Thank you for joining with Programming Knowledge, and for the other informations you can refer this paypi.org/project/phone numbers, where you have time zones, where you can get time zones. Yeah, in order to get the time zone, we provide the code and we get the information output as exact location with the time zone, Europe or London. Similarly, we have different here in this documentation. There's so many other geocoder description for valid number, name for number. Just we did it writing the program. So many steps are available here, and you can use this and enjoy the program and get some interesting stuffs. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining with Programming Knowledge. Bye guys.